Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to FSEX online support program. Today we are going to study class 7 mathematics. For today is further expansion and factorization of algebraic expression, the same chapter, chapter number 5. Our textbook is New Secondary Mathematics Student Course Book 2 from page number 133 till 135. Today we are going to continue the same topic, further expansion and simplification of simple algebraic expression, and one more topic, factorizing of algebraic expressions. Resources required: textbook, notebooks, stationery and internet resources. In this lesson we will learn about expanding algebraic expression in the form of a plus b, c plus d plus e, and factorizing algebraic expression in the form of ax squared bxy minus 8y squared. Today, if you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. Obstacles means problems, hardness, inconvenience. These are the things you are going to face in it. If you are positive and if you think that I can do this, then you will not see any problem in it. You will see this is the chance, this is the properties and everything in it. Today's objectives are, we will learn about expanding algebraic expression in the form of a plus b bracket c plus d plus e, factorizing algebraic expressions in the form of ax squared plus bxy minus 8y squared. These are the two things. Student, you remember middle term breaking, right? We have done middle term breaking, right? In chapter 2. This is the same thing. This is the same process. This is the expanding of bracket, but this has 3 terms. We have done about 2 terms. Now this is 3 terms. In today's video, we will learn about these 2 things. Clear? Before that, we are going to recap the topic. Recap of distributive law. A, B plus C, AB plus AC, B minus C, AB minus AC. Remember in the previous video, we did expansion of 2 brackets, that is A plus B and C plus D. Remember how we did it? This A is going to multiply with second bracket, and again this B is going to multiply with second bracket, C. AC plus AD, BC plus BD, CD. Clear? Okay. Moving to this topic. Our today's topic is expanding and simplifying algebraic expression in the form of a plus b, c plus d plus e. Now which questions today we are going to do? We are discussing practice now number 6. The question says x plus 3, x square minus 7x minus 2. Clear? Now this first bracket is going to multiply with this whole bracket. Same thing. A is going to multiply with this whole bracket, B is going to multiply with this whole bracket. Like x is going to multiply with this whole bracket and plus 3 is going to be multiplying with this whole bracket. Let's see how. Clear? Now this x is multiplying with x squared, 7x minus 2, then 3x squared minus 7x minus 2. Clear? What we get? x3, x7s are minus 7x squared, minus plus minus 2x. Clear? Plus 3x squared plus minus minus 3 7s are 21x. 3 minus plus minus minus 3 2s are 6. Now we are going to arrange the like terms. X squared minus 7x squared minus 3x squared minus 2x minus 21x minus 6. We have arranged all the like terms in one form and in the form of power. Greater power, smallest, then smallest, then. Clear? So x3 is going to be same. Minus minus plus, so 7x square minus plus 3x square 10x. Sign always comes of greater number. So greater number. Clear? Minus minus, again plus 2x plus 21, 23x, but sign comes of always comes of greater numbers, so minus. Minus 6 as it is. Clear? Have you seen powers? Have you observed the rhythm. 3, 2, 1, 0. Clear? Okay, moving towards next topic, that is practice now 7. And today we are going to discuss practice now 7 question number 2. What does it say? Which expression? Ax square plus bxy minus 8y square. Students, you all are familiar with the middle sum breaking, right? We have done in exercise 2b. See, 3x square y square minus 14xy plus 16. How do we break the middle term? We break the middle term by multiplying first and last digit, that is 3, 16. As you can see in the rough side, I have done 3 multiplied by 16, that is multiplying first and last term. The constant, we are only going to see the constant, we are not going to see the coefficient, right? Okay, we are not going to see the variable, we are going to take the constants and the coefficients, right? 48. Now we need such a number that if we multiply these two numbers, we get 48. By adding or subtracting, we get 14. Clear? Is it clear? So how we will do it? We thought 8 6 are 48 and 8 plus 8, 14. But here is the sign of minus. That means minus minus plus. So we took minus 8, minus 6, 14 and minus. Sign always come of greater number. See, 3x square, y square minus 6xy minus 8xy minus minus plus 14xy, and sign would come of greater number plus 16. Now we are going to take common. What is common here? 2 and 3 and 6 comes in 3 tables. xy is also common here also and here also. 1 xy. When we took 3 and xy outside, what is left? There were 2 xy, right? So only 1 xy left, minus as it is. 3 2s are 6, but this xy we took common, so only 2. 8 and 16, they both comes in 8 tables. We took 8 as common because there is no variable, so xy will remain same. So xy 16, 8 2s are 16. Clear? Minus minus plus. As you can see on the third step, our two brackets are same. That means our work is correct. We have done the correct work. So now we are going to take this bracket 1 as common, as y minus 2, and the remaining one, the outside the bracket 3xy minus 8 will come in another bracket. Clear? 3x minus y minus 8 comes in other bracket. Okay students, hope you are clear with this. You can see the rough work. I have shown the rough work on this slide. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay, now students, you have to do practice now question 7 1a and b, question 10 ab, that is on page number 135, and question 11 a till f, page number 135. Okay students, in submitting your work must be neat and clean, should be in proper manner with date and date, correct topic, along with proper numbering in your school notebook. Student, remember you have to do all the work in your school notebook. Use black and blue gel pen. Student, as you know, this is the new chapter, so make sure that before starting the chapter you should make a title page also, and student, make sure that you submit your these work on time, because these work is going to be assessed. From chapter number 5, all your work is going to be assessed. Whether it is first video of 19-week part 1 or 2, everything from 19-week part 1, all your work is going to be assessed. Students, have a nice day. Thank you all for today.